These are always popular here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1990 Cadillac Brougham sedan, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car at 42,030 showing on the odometer at the moment. Best of all, underneath the hood, 5.7 liter, optional larger engine, automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC will need a little attention, needs to be recharged. Heat blows hot. Let's take a look at this front grille. Chrome and bright work. Still retains the correct Cadillac hood ornament. And as you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. Academy gray with gray leather interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Take a look at the undersides. Very clean car, engine bay, trunk, interior. Nice all the way around. In with the still pictures, you're also going to see a copy of the window sticker so you can see exactly how this car was equipped. It was equipped with the Brougham Option Package B. I'm going to get into what was in that package in just a bit. Another thing that you're going to see on the window sticker is the locking wheel covers. And the tools are with the car in the glove box. You can see Uniroyal radials. There's a mouthful. Sometimes you'll hear these referred to as mustard and mayo tires with the golden seal gold stripe or yellow stripe and the white wall. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this car is really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, gray interior, split bench seat. And that is the optional leather interior with leather trimmed steering wheel. You're going to see that in the still pictures also. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that. Vinyl roof. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear. Also looks good. Filler panels, if you're familiar with these cars. All those filler panels can start to deteriorate and show their age. Look good on this one. Front and rear. All right, I mentioned that Brougham Option B package a little bit earlier. That's going to have the illuminated, another mouthful, vanity mirrors. It also has the rear sail panel reading lights, power seats, and also the power trunk lid pull down. Twilight Sentinel, also included in that. Technician noted. Complete exhaust, front to rear on this one. And the tires are starting to show their age some, so that's something that's probably going to need some attention before you're taking this too far down the road. Up and down the driver's side, again, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Let's take a peek at the rear seats on this one. Nice roomy cars, and yeah, they don't make them like this anymore, put it that way. If you've ever ridden with one of these going down the freeway or highway, they ride out absolutely beautiful. There's those reading lights I was talking about in the sail panel. About the headliner. Headliner looking good. The inside of this car still smells new. You smell the leather. Tilt and telescopic wheel, cruise control, of course, all your amenities from power windows, power locks, power seats, again, both sides, and that's power recliners also. It's all part of the options that were included on this. And again, check out the still pictures and that window sticker. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I had the radio power up. It's an AM/FM cassette player, but I did not get any sound out of it. Let's put it that way. Electronic climate control. Very stock looking dash. Here's your exact miles. 42,030. Seat belt light or fasten belt light there. Otherwise, dash, look at that. No cracks, discoloration. Looks good. Fuel gauge working. Listen to that door close. They don't sound like that closing anymore either. Sounds good. If you're looking for a cruiser, here you go. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood popped so you can check out the engine bay. We'll take a peek at that and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's the underside of the hood. Doesn't look like this car's been driven in inclement weather at all. And that 5.7 liter. Nice and clean and tidy. Stock looking engine bay. What you'd expect. '90 Cadillac Brougham sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 42,030 miles on the odometer. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1990 Cadillac Brougham. This car loaded up nicely the way they should be. Multi-position power adjustable seat. If you didn't know this, a little lever right here, telescopic steering. Very nice to have. Bring the wheel a little closer to you. This Cadillac feels like it has low mileage. Factory. That horn kind of sounds like a train horn. Nice loud horn. The wipers work. The blower motor is blowing air. Cruise control is working. Very nice gray leather split bench seat. The gray carried throughout. The headliner, the visors, the dash, it all looks really good. Really nice condition. That wood grain. 1990, towards the end of the wood grain, isn't it? When does they stop using a lot of wood grain? Right around in there. Very comfortable, quiet car. That hood ornament prominently out on the front end. Shining brightly, that's in good condition as well. Digital speedometer. The digital fuel gauge showing a little over a quarter of a tank. Corners the way a Cadillac should. Very nice power steering. Fold down armrest with storage. And the 1990 Cadillac cassette tape that came with this car new in that armrest. Take a look at all the pictures of this Cadillac at UniqueClassicCars.com.